Good evening and welcome to the session number 16 from the chapter of oscillations. The topic is the type of vibrations. So on the basis of this topic I have written here 4 important points in order to understand the types of vibration. So the first point here is that the vibrations are basically classified as free vibrations, forced vibrations and damped vibrations. तो पहला जो ये पॉइंट है यहाँ पर जो सेकंड पॉइंट है दैट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ फ्री वाइब्रेशन. सो द फ्री वाइब्रेशन अकर when an object oscillates at its natural frequency without any external force acting on it. और इसका एक बहुत ही कॉमन एग्जाम्पल है दैट इज द स्विंगिंग ऑफ द पेंडुलम. नाउ द फोर्स्ड वाइब्रेशन is a vibration which happens when some external force is applied on an object. So in this case what happens that the object vibrates at the frequency of the force frequency, and the most common example of this forced vibration is the shaking of the washing machine due to the unbalanced load. और दूसरा एग्जाम्पल एक और हो सकता है कि द शेकिंग और ऑफ द हैंगिंग ब्रिज ड्यू टू द विंड. नाउ थर्ड वन इज द डैम्प्ड वाइब्रेशन. नाउ डैम्प्ड वाइब्रेशंस occur when the energy is dissipated from the system, and the energy can be dissipated from the system due to friction or air resistance or any other resistive force. And because of the energy dissipation from the system, the amplitude of vibration gradually decreases with time. So these are the three important or you can say the broadly classified types of vibrations. And in the next session, or you can say in the coming sessions starting from the session number 17 onwards, I will be coming up with a few important numerical problems pertaining to the chapter of oscillations. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.